Today is April 16, 2025, and this is test sound check. The time is 5:32 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, Colton, California, at the Baker's, Goodwill, Arco, Fiesta Village, Starbucks Coffee intersection right here on Washington Avenue. The soundtrack is Billie Holiday, and I don't know what is playing. I don't know what is being sung, but man, it is grooving, baby. Let me tell you. Emergency vehicle, say a little prayer. This is a sound check. It is now 5:33 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, Colton, California, Inland Empire. Doing a sound check with Billie Holiday. Yeah, nice. But I don't know what the name of the album is or the song. I am just listening. I'm sitting in the car right now, in the car with all the windows rolled down, and it's about, now I'm looking at the forecast, calls for 50 to 53 or 2 in the morning, and then becoming a little warmer throughout the day with a high of 65 around 4 p.m. with clouds all day. So it's going to be sunny today, but it's still cool. And I'm looking across the street here where I'm parked. I'm looking at I'm in the Goodwill shopping center. And then I'm looking at the now Baker's and Arco, Starbucks Coffee at Fiesta Village. And I'm facing the north mountains over there. And I'm looking at Fiesta Village. I'm looking at the horizon there. It's all Fiesta Village up to where Taco Joe's used to be, and then just goes, hit my head to the left, and I can kind of see where Washington Avenue turns up over into Mount Vernon. That's about it. Very nice opportunity. This is a nice opportunity to do a sound check with Billie Holiday. I gotta find the case for this particular CD to find out what song this is, which album this is, because this is really good. Doing a sound check today. It's April 16, 2025, and the time is now 5:37 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, Colton, California. Coming to you live, doing a sound check, broadcasting, recording live, doing a sound check with Billie Holiday. 53 degrees outside today, and forecast calls for a high of 65 today. And we'll be looking forward to a slight chance of rain in the evening. It's going to be cooler, and then forecast calls for cloudy with rain possibly tomorrow and Friday. So today, enjoy the sunshine. I will be doing the same. Right now we're doing a sound check with Billie Holiday, and I gotta find out what this album is. Here's a good one. Yeah. In the meantime, it's a sound check with Billie Holiday, because I have to see if this setup will work if I'm doing a sound check.